Girl, you are not in the frame. Calm down. See?
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes.
The wedding dress shopping, I think. Yes, the one with the thing in it. What was I saying? God, sorry, Brandon asked me a question and kind of threw me off for a second.
Hi you guys, and welcome to another episode of Sir Nicholas Adventures. I am Brandon Nicholas Baker, aka Sir Brandon Nicholas, and if you are new here today, welcome to my vlogs. So I'm actually prepping for a trip.
I know I'm not in this video though. I look crazy and I'm cold.
Hold up, I'm trying to get the focus. Okay. Hi guys, and welcome back to Sir Nicholas Adventures. Today we are getting ready for a trip. Girl, you are not in the frame. Calm down. But anyways, see, here with my best friend Courtney, we are gonna do a little shopping. She's getting her toes done. I'm gonna be looking for some crop tops for Miami because I'm going to Miami for Memorial Day weekend, working with Jack, sponsored by Jack. So thank you, Jack. We appreciate you guys. But anyways, I wanted to get a little get ready for a trip video for you guys so you can kind of see my process of getting my shit together, because it takes a lot, especially being an influencer. So I wanted to show you guys. But anyways, we're heading to the mall right now and we'll see you guys inside. Alright,
wave, yeah. I swear they never really understand me. I need a comment like I need a Grammy. She needs to flow with her designer panties.
look who we ran into. Say hey, Chris.
You look like you dominate sales.
He look like a grown-ass man. What is going on? Look at him.
Never mind, you're recording.
Yeah, girl, put it down, bring it down, bring it down. Yeah. Hi guys. So we just spent the last 20 minutes talking to Chris. So of course we've done nothing as of yet, and it's already 6:30. So yeah, pray for us because the mall is gonna be closing soon. And it's Tuesday. What time do they close on Tuesday?
I'm pretty sure they still close at 8 or 9.
Okay. Okay. Let's go.
They have to give us awards.
Okay, but that's cute. Isn't this cute?
I like that. I would just sleep in it.
Alright. What did you get?
Okay, well, you see these shoes right here? They're so freaking cute for the wedding.
They are cute.
But they don't have my size, but they have it in this color. But that color's kind of like these.
And it ain't cute.
And then I was like, oh, these are fire too, but
They didn't have your size?
no. I mean, I have multiple in signature somewhere, so
Right? Because I was like, this is the first mirror I've seen all day.
I was like, how do I look?
And those are cute too.
I know.
Where?
No, I already checked for you. I give up. I know. I have those ones. You have those? Okay. I love that. Are they comfy? The padding's comfy? That's what I'm saying.
Oh, that's so cute.
Toto down my shoes, Euro step my move. I just caught the ring, yeah my fingers hold on the finer things. That's just what I do.
I would wear more so this bag right here.
Me and my brother
A cute
shoes.
everyday.
Euro step my move. I just caught the ring, yeah my fingers hold on the finer things. That's just what I do.
Hey Vicky, I think a boy. I had a baby boy.
ideals is like grass. They flourish like a flower of the field. The wind blows over it, and it is gone, and its place remembers it no more. But from everlasting...
She was a good time, but I need something everlasting. Her favorite activity is spending time at Saxonville. Oh, how could I ever get past it? I can never feel like the 31, no. Had to switch it. Shawty got a Glocky and they both come with extensions. We both turned out different, but we still came from the trenches. I cannot lie, I can't lie. It's a lot for me to unpack. All you wanna do is give me more. I can never see me going back. No back. All of that drama, you save it for your mama. Leave it all in the past. Don't give me more. I can never see me going back.
Such a thing as taking a holiday way too seriously.
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes.